Imagine trying just one idea into a box and within minutes watching it turn into a fully produced video, complete with script, voiceover, caption, music, and stock footages. That's exactly what InVideo AI does. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how powerful InVideo is actually. So once you have logged in, this is going to be the dashboard you're going to be getting. And at any time during this video, if you want to get InVideo, you can click the first link in the description. And one more thing to mention is that this is basically a free version. So I won't be able to show you how to actually make the video, but I'm going to be making sure that this video is as informative as possible. So once you get here, make sure you click on this over here and go to the settings and make sure this particular button, which is called the beta feature, is turned on. So usually this is going to be turned off once you get into InVideo, but you have to turn this on. And basically you can go ahead and click here and you can create it over here. And you have this different model. So version 4.0 is the most advanced model yet that has been launched by InVideo. So make sure you guys keep on that. And you're going to be basically getting a lot of workflows. So I'm not sure like what kind of video like you guys are looking into. Maybe you guys are looking into a UGC ad. You could be getting into this workflow, or maybe it's a short video, or maybe it's a script to video, or maybe it's a faceless short video, or maybe you're looking for a generative ad, or maybe a clay motion style or Disney pixel style. So no matter what you're trying to do, it could be here. So even a documentary style video you could be using with InVideo AI. So that's what you could be doing with the workflows. And also you could be cloning yourself. So you have to add like a 60 seconds video of yours. You could basically clone yourself over here. So in order to get the prompt for InVideo AI, it's very easy. You could just basically ask ChatGPT. So this is the prompt that ChatGPT created me. It's called create a cinematic 15-second motivational short film. Show a person struggling, facing failure, feeling exhausted. So based on this prompt, InVideo is going to give you like fantastic videos. So let me just show you the kind of videos that you could be getting inside InVideo AI. So inside this generative pics, you could be seeing all of these videos. These are completely AI made and it's made by InVideo AI. So these are like fantastic videos. Let's just see some of the UGC ads. And these are some of the UGC ads over here.
Okay,
so let's have a look at this.
This primer made my pores disappear and I have to tell you about it. This is the Butter Hydra Silk Primer and guys, I was not expecting this. The texture literally melts like butter into your skin. My pores, gone. My makeup, lasting all day without getting cakey. And it's only 18 pounds.
So as you can see, that was a fantastic video. And if you want to like replicate this particular AI video, you could just copy the prompt over here and go back to create video and you could be making one like this. You can adjust a little bit in the prompt and you could be making an excellent video. And there is entertainment section where you could be seeing all of this. And there is also the food section over here in which you could be seeing all the food videos. And you could be seeing the montage over here. And maybe you're looking for an explainer type video. You could be seeing that as well. And all of this over here is completely AI generated. And you could be doing the same as well. So this is how you check in on the generative AI, and you could be basically copying all the prompt and that's it. Yeah, and also you have got some plugins over here. So if you have an AI photo, you could be making into an avatar in which the particular AI photo is going to talk and present, like the one I have shown you in the generative pics. And you have motion graphics also, and you have text to clip, you have text to image, you have photo to clip, and it's text to title clip over here, and you get some preset library as well. So all of these plugins over here, it's very straightforward and it's just what the name suggests. It's going to do exactly what it says. So this is what you're going to be getting in the plugins. And in the history, you could be seeing all of the videos that you have made in the past. So that's basically it for this video of InVideo. I have covered with all the features over here and I have mentioned all the important things. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and I'm really hoping to see you on another review video. Take care.